Hey, Gus. What are we doing today?
You're testing a vacuum.
Are you trying to trick me into cleaning?
Well, you've been making a mess of our studio, so...
Wow, I thought this was like your responsibility, but I guess this is the last time I let Uncle Jack write my contracts. Well, I guess it's a good thing that I am Tess, and I do, most of the time successfully, test out tools while I am here at JB Tools. So I guess today it's going to be the Milwaukee M12 wet and dry vacuum. SKU number 0960-20. Thank you. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to open this thing up. We're going to take a look at it, get it set up, and I guess I'm going to clean up after myself, per usual. All right, welcome back to another segment of Women Vacuuming. I mean, test tools. So, gonna go ahead and unbox the Milwaukee Wet Dry Vacuum. It is smaller than the vacuum that my husband purchased for me. So, you know, I'm guessing it's for different kinds of tasks than that. We've got our operator's manual, per usual, with Milwaukee, making sure people know what they're doing, but I was born knowing how to vacuum. Ow. All right, this looks fun. Very different than what I'm used to, which is like an upright. But this is not that, because it's probably for jobs, which is why I'm using it at my job here at JB Tools. So this vacuum, along with the M12 battery kit and a lot of other nifty Milwaukee tools that I've been testing out, are available at jbtools.com. We've got a good stock on everything. So, you don't really know. Oh, it looks like that's where it opens. Okay, so that's where the filter's going to be. That's fun. Don't know how to get that fully open, but we'll figure it out. Looks like we have got probably the on-off button there on top. It's a good location for it. On this side, it looks like the hose is already in there, so they've got it packaged inside, which is why I didn't find it in the box. Which is why it's good that I looked in there before I asked Gus what he did with the hose. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get this thing all set up, and when we come back, I'm going to start doing some cleaning. Welcome back again. So Tess is going to clean up after herself because after Gus and I went and argued with management, they sided with him. So I'm going to clean this up. I have gone ahead. It looks like there's some cool latches here that opens this up on the top, and that is where the hose is stored away at. It looks like it's got a good reach, but be careful. Be more careful than I usually am. So I do have my M12 red lithium battery here. Going to go ahead and plug that in. Which tool should I use? Probably the skinny one, huh? All right, let's go ahead. We're going to give this a try. Pretty good suction on that. I'm going to swap out the tools, give the other one a try. Maybe we should throw something up here. Yeah, that'll be harder to suck up. I'm going to put this tool on. I don't know what these attachments are called, but they exist and they are helpful. So it looks like I might have another speed option here. I don't know, because there's a line and then there's 2 lines. And I bet that's explained in the operator's manual, but I didn't read that. More powerful. That works pretty well. I'm impressed with it. I am guessing that everything goes down here, down where the filter is, so it's really easy to empty out, but we will find that out in a bit. Now we're going to do a little fun experiment with some water. So we'll be back with that. Welcome back, guys. So again, I'm Tess. I am testing another tool. And that tool is the Milwaukee M12 Wet Dry Vacuum. Now, I have already done a little show and tell on how to use the dry portion of it by cleaning up a mess that I had made previously, which is my fault. So now I'm going to use the wet part of it. And this would be really convenient for somebody who is maybe like in a home renovation situation where you have a lot of sawdust flying around and then maybe you have some plumbing things that you're doing. So having a vacuum that can do both of the wet and the dry side of things is going to be really beneficial in those instances. So I have my handy dandy Milwaukee tumbler. We do have this at JB Tools. And I'm going to pour some water onto my work table here. We're going to see how this thing does. My immediate thought of application for this was the home renovation, thinking about plumbing, but now after watching how well that just sucked up that water, all I'm thinking is my dog at home drinking tons of water and how convenient this would be in those instances. So way to go, Milwaukee, thinking about the whole family while making this wonderful product. So again, I am Tess. This is JB Tools, and this was me testing out the Milwaukee M12 Wet Dry Vacuum. We do have this available at jbtools.com along with a ton of other wonderful Milwaukee products. And as always, thanks for being with us. I'm really excited to whip out this M12 Fuel. Fuck. Cut.